He kipa aku nei, na wahi pano o ahu komohana I mea e ho'omohala ia ai no paha na mana'o a ki'ina hou, no ke ano e ho'owili aku ai ka ike ku'una ma luna o ka lākou mau haumāna.
I think you're learning from just to hear the kupuna talk about their life, their culture, and the way they were brought up.
Part of the bridging of the generational gap, we feel, is to have the students capture the stories of the kupuna.
Nana hu e a'o no ho'i o ko ʻŌlelo papahana papaho ke kaiaulu o waiʻanae I au wamo I ka pa'i wiki o I keia ʻaha kupuna.
I'm so impressed for the young people doing this because, you know, they have a lot to learn, but yet they are so akamai themselves, and we have a lot to share with them.
I don't know how, but they can carry a conversation like very long.
Ma hope ho'i o ko Emmanuel lohe ana I na mo'olelo o keia he iau ku ili o loa ua ike le'a o ia I kona kuleana.
It's a huge responsibility. I mean, it's been here for years and it's still here. And what we want to do is we want it to still be here after we're gone. So then what we got to do is we got to make sure nothing happens to it.
E ho'ohana ana no ho'i keia mo o pio I ka lākou I ki wiki o ai ma'ane'i a mana wahi pana e a'e o keia huaka'i no ka ho'opuka ia o kahi DVD e kapa ia ana o ahu pua'a.
If we film it, then they can like broadcast it on top of the stations, and then if they broadcast it, more people will know about it, and the more people know about it, the more people will do to preserve what's going on.
O wau keia o Amy Kalini no Sunrise Hawaii News Now. Aloha.